For every $100 a white family has, you have 16. That's not an opinion. That's the Federal Reserve talking. And honestly, the system wasn't built for you to win. But here's the thing. Systems can be hacked. Today, I'm giving you the exact 7-step checklist that can turn $50,000 into $500,000 by retirement. No crypto bros, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just math, strategy, and a little bit of I'm tired of being tired energy. Let's break the cycle forever. So here's what we're working with. The median black family has about $45,000 in net worth. Hispanic families, around $62,000. White families, $285,000. That's not a gap, that's a canyon. And get this, that gap has actually gotten wider since 2019. We're talking over $240,000 wider, the largest since they started tracking in 1983. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great, another video telling me the system is broken. Yeah, it is. But I'm not here to depress you. I'm here to arm you. Because here's what nobody tells you. The same compound math that created this gap, it can close it. You just need to know where to point it. The Brookings Institution found that by age 30, the average wealth gap between white and black families is $181,000. By age 70, over $1.4 million. That's compound interest working against you for 40 years. Today, we flip that script. We make compound interest your best friend instead of your worst enemy. So grab a pen, screenshot this checklist, whatever you got to do. 7 steps. Let's get into it. Step 1. Audit your finances. Know your starting line. You can't fix what you can't see. And right now, money is leaking out of your pockets like water through a cracked bucket. For the next 90 days, I want you tracking everything. Every dollar in, every dollar out. Use free apps like YNAB or Mint, or just a Google spreadsheet. I don't care. The point is visibility. And here's what you're hunting for: the leaks. Because the data shows black customers pay an average of $12 a month in bank fees. Hispanic customers pay $16. White customers, $5. That's not a typo. Only 59% of black and Hispanic bank customers report paying 0 fees, compared to 79% of white customers. 21% of black Americans paid overdraft fees last year, compared to just 9% of white Americans. The banks are literally charging you more for being you. Here's the math that'll make you angry. If you're losing $2,000 a year to fees, and you invest that instead at 7% returns, that's $15,000 in 10 years, $34,000 in 20 years, $80,000 in 30 years. From money you were just giving away to a bank that already has plenty. Now here's the cultural piece nobody wants to talk about. Supporting extended family. Sending money back home. Being the successful one everyone calls when rent is due. I get it. Family is everything. But you cannot set yourself on fire to keep others warm.